friends, today we have great opportunity to introduce our tractor engine. You can see easily this engine is designed and produced by Green Truck, and it is the latest engine emission standard. This one. First one is for about our mobile tractor engine. We have 3 advantages. First one is you can see easily this engine have the cradle. It means if you have some emergency situation, you can move to any places you like. Second one is you can see also you can make the big engine so that if you have a problem, 3 sets of the small engine can be have more power, have more fuel consumption than ours. It means we can save more than 20% fuel during construction, during the working. The third one is it also can reduce the maintenance price. If you need any maintenance service, you only maintenance one engine enough. The first one is you can easily get a lot of options. For example, if you need the hydraulic, if you need the air, if you need the water, if you need plug-in, we can all give you a lot of the option and the selection. So you can work easily, quickly,